If you've got a laundry service and you're looking for an affordable professional website for your business, you're definitely in the right place today. So keep watching this video. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to use the Mighty Sites platform to build a simple website for your laundry service. If you haven't heard of Mighty Sites before, we pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days, so make sure you click on the link below this video and sign up for that free trial. Once you join the platform, the very first thing it's going to ask you to do at the top is to search for your markets. Now, we have hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses, and we are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to go ahead and search for my market, laundry service. There it is over there. Let's go ahead and select that template. Great, let's on Mighty Sites a few basic details about our laundry service so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to pop in my city and my state or region. Doesn't matter where in the world your business is located, you can enjoy the Mighty Sites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and click on continue. Let Mighty Sites work its magic, creates a simple website with the information I've just put in. And there you have it. It's literally done so in a couple seconds. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of Mighty Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see, completely free for you to use as well. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images. Perhaps you want to make 1 or 2 amendments to this content that was pre-written for you. Perhaps you don't offer all those services. So I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do that. You don't need to know any website coding or be a web professional of any sorts, and you certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you either. So let's get started. I'm going to click on the first section at the top, go ahead and pop in my email address over here. I want to make sure that that is visible on my website for my customers to see. So I'm going to go ahead and tick that box. Excellent. Let's pop in our phone number over here. And the great thing about that phone number is it's click to call. I'll address our physical location if you maybe you're mobile, but if you do have one, pop it in over here. Great thing about that physical location, when your website's live, your customers can actually click on that link, be taken directly to Google Maps for directions. And update social links is where you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom. Now, if you have a logo for your business, head on over to the next section. If you don't have a logo and you really want one, but you don't have a huge budget, check out canva.com or hatchful.com. I personally tried them both myself. Really great for free logos for your business, especially if you're just starting out. If you want to make slight amendments to your logo, click on that pencil. Otherwise, click on save. Over here on the right is where you can make your logo bigger and smaller. Great. With Mighty Sites as well, we pre-selected the colors for you. If you'd like to change them to go with your logo a little bit better, go ahead and click on Paint Bucket, bottom right-hand corner. No color coding needed at all. Just scroll through the various color palettes available for you to use. For each section you want to make amendments to, click on Update section directly underneath it. Head on over to Update Image first. Now, this is where you can upload your own images if you want to. Otherwise, search through the photo library, hundreds of images to choose from, all completely free to use. You now have the option as well to connect your Instagram account with a click of a button to automatically pull in all those images from your profile if you have one, instead of uploading them all individually. Very convenient. And Update Action is where you can change those buttons, the text, and where they're linked to by clicking on Choose Link. You even have an option to upload a PDF file to put more business information over there for your customers when they click on that button. In the last section at the bottom, we have a lead generation form. Over here is where your customers can easily reach out to you. You will get notified via your registered email you have a new lead. Also find all your leads over in your Mighty dashboard. If you have a custom domain for your business, go ahead and click on that yellow connect your domain button at the bottom. If you don't have a domain yet and you'd really like to purchase one to make your website look even more professional and trustworthy, you have the option to do so under that button as well. Click on Connect Your Domain. Really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your laundry service. Really wishing you and your business mighty success. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and let us know if you have any features you'd like to see in future or any feedback on the Mighty Sites platform. We'd love to hear from you.